Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Reddit advertising setup for validating product market fit, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, create a Reddit account if you don't already have one. Visit reddit.com and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Choose a username that reflects your brand or product. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the Reddit Ads Manager. You can find this by clicking on the Create button in the top right corner of the home page. From the drop-down menu, select Advertise. This will redirect you to the Reddit Ads dashboard. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the advertising setup process. Now, you will need to set up your first campaign. Select the objective of your campaign, which could be brand awareness or conversions. For validating product market fit, consider choosing traffic or conversions as your objective. After selecting your objective, you will create your campaign name. Make it descriptive to keep track of your objectives easily. Set your budget for the campaign. You can choose either a daily budget or a lifetime budget based on your preferences. Next, define your target audience. Reddit allows you to target based on interests, demographics, and even specific subreddits. Select the relevant interests that align with your product. Consider focusing on subreddits that relate closely to your niche for better engagement. Once the audience is set, proceed to the ad group creation. This section is where you'll define your ad placements and bidding strategy. You can choose automatic bidding for ease or manual bidding for more control. Set your schedule for when you want your ads to run. This can be continuous or set to specific start and end dates. Next, move on to create your advertisement. Select the type of ad you want to create, such as a text post or image ad. If you're using images, make sure they are high quality and align with Reddit's ad guidelines. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.